Tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to virtually eliminate the world around you. These aren't just good. They offer industry-leading noise cancellation, turning your noisy commute into a private concert hall or your bustling office into a serene sanctuary. It's an immersive audio experience perfect for deep work, travel, or simply escaping with your favorite music. Worried about charging? Don't be. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, these headphones power through even the longest flights or a full week of daily listening. That means more uninterrupted enjoyment and less scrambling for a charger, making them ideal for anyone on the go. And for seamless convenience, the multipoint connection capability lets you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without missing a beat. Imagine taking a call on your phone, then instantly jumping back to your movie on your tablet. It just works. What truly sets the WH-1000XM5 apart is this synergy of unparalleled quiet, marathon battery, and smart connectivity. If you're looking to upgrade your audio experience and invest in the best noise-canceling headphones for 2025, these are a game changer. Find the best deals by checking the Amazon link in our description. Seriously, the Sony WH-1000XM5s are simply the ultimate choice for premium sound and pure tranquility.